Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Kitchen. Today we're making chickpea muffins. To start, you're going to need optional sprinkles, soda, cinnamon, and sugar, some flour, milk, eggs, chickpeas, and optional protein powder. To start, you're going to pour your chickpeas into a blender, followed by your protein powder. Then you're going to put your eggs. Then you're going to put your milk. You can use any milk. I just use regular milk. Then you're going to put a little bit of flour. I use whole wheat flour, but you can use any flour. Then you're going to put your soda, cinnamon, and your sugar. Then you're going to put optional sprinkles in. Then you're going to blend and crush everything until it's one big mass. And now you're going to pour it into a bowl and get your silicone muffin cups ready. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now, you're going to lay out all of your muffin cups, and then you're going to start spooning your mixture into the muffin cups. Now, you're going to add your optional toppings. Then bake, and now let's see the final result.